How to go from backup to a solar system. A step-by-step guide. Solar systems are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They're a clean, renewable way to generate electricity, and they can save you money on your energy bills. If you're already using a backup power system, you're already halfway to having a solar system. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make the switch. What size solar system do you need? How much power do you need to generate to meet your needs? Consider your budget and your energy consumption when making your decision. Choose a solar installer. There are many different solar installers out there, so it's important to choose one that is reputable and experienced. Get quotes from multiple installers before making a decision. 3. Get the necessary permits. Depending on your location, you may need to obtain permits from your local government before you can install a solar system. 4. Have your solar system installed. Once you have the necessary permits, a solar installer will come to your business and install your solar system. 5. Connect your solar system to the grid. Solar systems are connected to the grid, so you can sell any excess power you generate back to the utility company. Once your solar system is installed and connected to the grid, you'll be able to start generating your own clean energy and saving money on your energy bills.